If you're still using Canva inside a messy Chrome tab with 20 other windows open, I'm telling you, you're doing it the hard way. The desktop app is just so much faster. It doesn't lag, it's more stable, and it won't crash your entire browser right in the middle of a big project. I personally switched to the actual app because the interface feels much smoother. Plus, you get a dedicated workspace without all those browser notifications distracting you. It works exactly the same whether you're on a PC, a laptop, or a Mac. And the best part is it only takes about 30 seconds to set up. First, you'll want to open your web browser. I'm currently on my Mac, but this works exactly the same on a Windows PC. I'm using Chrome, so let's navigate over to Google and just type in download Canva. Click on the official link for the Canva Windows desktop app. You'll see a big button to download for Windows. But if you're on a MacBook like I am, just look right below that. I'm going to tap on also available on Mac OS right here. It'll give me the option to download the Mac version. But again, the steps are pretty much identical for Windows users. Just wait a moment for the installer to finish downloading and then double tap the file to open it. Let's get this setup started. If you're on Windows, just follow those standard on-screen instructions. The whole process takes maybe 30 seconds to a minute max. Once it's finished, you'll see that familiar Canva icon appear right on your desktop. When you open Canva for the first time, it's going to look something like this. It'll give you an option to log in through your browser. Don't worry, that's totally normal. As soon as you log in with your account in that browser window, it's going to automatically redirect you back to the official app. From there, you're all set. You can start creating, and you'll notice right away it's much more responsive than Chrome. Those are essentially the steps to getting Canva on your PC, laptop, or Mac. If this helped you out, please check out the channel for more Canva tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.